Very rarely do I think that Carey Mulligan eats when it comes to her red carpet looks, but here for the Maestro film premiere in LA, she did. And let's talk about some of the other looks like Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga. Firstly, I think Carey looks amazing in this little navy blue Celine number. It's a strapless style with big, beautiful sashes that flow off of the dress asymmetrically. I think it looks lovely. I think it's simple. I think it's elegant. I think it's very Eddie, but at the same time has a real sort of red carpet finesse and flair. I also love that Bradley and Carey both went for navy blue. I think it's a great way for them to pair off the fact that they are the leads and they're playing alongside of each other. I was kind of shocked to see Lady Gaga, but I probably shouldn't have been. But I did like this Alexander McQueen suit. It's simple, it's not really taking focus away from anybody else, and it also pays homage to Sarah Burton, who Lady Gaga worked with for quite some time. Finally, we have Maya Hawke in this brown Prada look. It's custom, it's beautiful. I love the shape that she's been going for a lot recently. I love this silky ivory bra motif that's going on at the bust line. So did we love it? Did we hate it? Or did we just not care?